Hello kids. So today we are going to take the last topic of the first chapter, that is Roman numerals. Now what are Roman numerals? The ancient Roman used the numerals without having the place value. Even we see Roman numbers at many places, like when we are writing the grade of our class, so we use Roman numerals. When we are having the ranks in our report cards, in that also we can see the Roman numerals. Now there are certain rules to write the Roman numbers. So let us see the rules. The first rule, putting a letter after one of the bigger value means you have to add it. For example, for example 6. So 6 means we can say 5 plus 1. So we will write the Roman numeral of 5 as V and of 1 as I. So we got the Roman of 6 as VI. Similarly, if we want to make the Roman numeral of 17, so it will be 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. So how to make the Roman numeral? You can see the first number is bigger than it is smaller. So when your first number is bigger means you have to add that number. So let us make the Roman numeral of 17. It will be X, as the Roman of 10 will be X, 5 means V, and I means 2. So the Roman of 17 will be XVI. So second rule is putting a letter before one of the bigger value means you subtract it. So when our first letter is smaller than the second letter, so we have to subtract it. For example, if I am saying 4, so how to make the Roman of 4? We are not having the Roman of 4, so we will use 5 minus 1, as we are having the Roman of 5 also and we are having the Roman of 1 also. So we are going to use 5 minus 1. But remember students, if we are doing subtraction means the Roman which is smaller, that you have to write first. So first we will write the Roman of 1, so that is I, and then we are going to write the Roman of 5, that is V. So our Roman for 4 will be IV. As you can see that when we are going to subtract, when our first Roman is smaller than the second Roman. So check that first Roman I stands for 1 and V stands for 5. So when your first Roman is smaller than the second one, we are going to subtract it. Similarly, let us take the second example, 9. So 9, we are not having the Roman of 9. So we have to do 10 minus 1, as we are having the Roman of 10 and 1 both. So students, as we are subtracting, so we are going to write the Roman of smaller number first. So first we will write this Roman of 1. So 1 will be I and 10 will be X. So the Roman of 9 will be IX. Let us take the third rule. The third rule of the Roman numeral is the letters can be repeated maximum 3 times. So any letter you can repeat maximum up to 3 times. After 3 times you cannot repeat any Roman numeral. For example, if we are writing 3, so for 3 we are writing 3 times I. Similarly, if we want to write 30, so for 30 we are writing 3 times X. But in our previous rule only we understood that for 4 we are not writing 4 times I. This is wrong. We are writing it as IV. So the Roman of 4 is IV, not 4 times I, because we cannot use any Roman letter more than 3 times. Similarly, for 9 we cannot write V and 4 times I. It is wrong. As we have done in previous rule, we have to write it as IX. After taking the third rule, let us take the last rule of the Roman numerals. What is the last rule of Roman numerals? The letter combination making 9 is written to the right of the letter combination making 20. Now here you can see in 29 we are using the combination of addition and subtraction both. How? You can see here X and X, they both are added. X and X will make 20 and I and X will make 9. So here it is combination of addition and subtraction both. So when in any number there is a combination of addition and subtraction, we have to write the 9, that is the subtraction part we have to write at the right hand side of the numeral. So one more example we will take of 14. Let us see the Roman numeral of 14. The Roman numeral of 14 will be XIV. You can see that here IV has the subtraction. So IV will be written on the right hand side of X. So whenever you are having the addition and subtraction combination, the subtraction will be written on the right hand side of the addition rule. So here are some few rules other than that 4 rules. V is never subtracted. So V is not subtracted from any Roman numeral. I can be subtracted from V and X only, and V is never repeated. We can never repeat V more than one time. It is to be written only one time. Here are some letters and with the Hindu Arabic numbers. So for I, we know that I stands for 1. Similarly, 5 stands for V, 10 stands for X, 50 means L, the Roman of 50 means L, 100 means C, 500 means D, and the Roman of 1000 will be 10. So here are some Roman numerals of different numbers. Thank you.